Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic regarding FB ads and Google Data Studio. So as you know, if you heard about Google Data Studio, we create weekly and monthly report of the stat of the campaigns in Google Data Studio, and we can use the same for Facebook campaigns as well. So in today's video I will let you know how to create a FB campaign weekly report with the help of Data Studio. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to create a Data Studio report for your Facebook ads account. So basically, Google Data Studio is a tool that is provided by Google to create a report, a monthly or weekly report, so that we can send them to our clients and give them an overview what has been done past week, past month, and what kind of efforts we are doing and what kind of things happening in the account, what kind of conversion. So basically, it's a dashboard, a report which we can send to client. So yeah, Google Data Studio is a product given by Google. So it is not like a product that is provided by Facebook, but we can use it to create a Facebook ads report as well. So we need to integrate our Google Data Studio with the Facebook ad account first, and let me show you how to do it. First of all, you just need to open the Google Data Studio, and once you click on the Google Data Studio, you have a dashboard like this. And the first step which we need to do is, and check as well, like you need to open this Google Data Studio on the same Gmail ID on which your FB ads account is created. Okay, so make sure your Gmail ID and the mail ID you have used to create your FB ads account are same. And then you just need to click on the create button, and you have three options here: report, data source, explorer. You just need to create on the data source option, and once you click on it, you have different options here. Like the Google ones, they are free because they are the Google products, Google inventory. But you need to go to the partner connector section. So there are a lot of partner connectors builds which will help us to connect our Google Data Studio with the Facebook ads account. And there are lot are here, like Facebook ads by Supermetrics, Facebook ads by Power My Analytics. So these kind of different type of connectors available in your Google Data Studio. But the connector which I have used, which I recommend you, is the Facebook ads and Instagram ads by Metrics. You just need to click on it, and once you click on it, they will they will ask you for the authentication to connect your Gmail ID with this same. And once you connect the same, you will have that options here. So I have already connected my Gmail ID, so it will give us the option like I have multiple ads account in my Facebook ads account. So make sure always connect only that email ID on which your Facebook ad account is created. Only then you have the different type of ads accounts options here. So as you can see, now I have different type of all the ads account options here. So I just want to create, like my account name is UNI Construct, so I will create a report for that. I will click UNI, and here is the you can say here is the ad account. I will click on it, and then just I will click on the connect button. It will redirect me to, after clicking on the connect button, it will redirect me here. And then we just need to click on the, because it is showing us all the element which isn't present in the Facebook ads account. So if you want to check that, you can do it here. And after that, you just need to click on the create report button and click on the create report. Click on that, you will land it on the dashboard, a predefined dashboard created by the partner app. And you just see that I have done nothing. I just click on that create report button, and it has created a well-defined report for me, like demographics, which kind of area I have targeted, mobile, the ad which I have targeted in the campaign, what are the stats of last 2 months, 3 months, which date we got conversion, which not. And the dashboard is looking like wow, because as you can see, we have all the matrices here, and you can compare it, you can send it to your you can say client, so they have a look on all the things which we have done so far, what kind of audience, budget, pricing, like all this stuff will be present here. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a Google Data Studio report for your FB ads account. And we need to use, please make sure we need to use Porter connector for the same, so that you can connect your Facebook ads account and fetch all the data here and see it here. So I think now you are able to know what kind of things need to do to create a Google Data Studio FB ads report.
So if you like the video, do like, share, comment, and if you have any query or concern, you can directly comment below, or you can contact me direct on the number flashing on the screen.